Johnny's sitting waiting, he's waiting for the tide. Someone said he could be crazy, better kept inside. Isn't it wonderful? Isn't it wonderful? And Johnny's quietly listening, he's listening by the shore. Someone said he should be someone, said he could be more. Isn't it wonderful? Isn't it wonderful? And ooh, what you gonna do with all that time? And ooh, what you gonna do with all of your mind? And ooh, what you gonna do with all that inspiration that no one cares about? And there is Johnny staring, he's staring down the line. He's trying hard to learn the art of making up his mind. Isn't it wonderful? Isn't it wonderful? And ooh, what you gonna do with all that time? And ooh, what you gonna do with all of your mind? And ooh, what you gonna do with all that inspiration that no one cares about? And he says, I don't wanna wake up and find myself someday too late to turn around on a dead-end road. And I don't wanna sound like some wandering soul. I'm just trying to find some rhythm in it all. Sometimes I think I might find meaning in it all. It is twisted, it is wishful, and not sensible at all. But isn't it wonderful? Isn't it wonderful? Isn't it wonderful? When I die, don't think about reasons why. Don't say I'm too young to go or I'll miss you so. And when I'm dead, don't worry about cheese and spreads or whatever you thought it was that the doctor said. And let me disappear, leave all this chaos here. You can keep my picture, dear. To put your mind at ease, that's where I'll find my peace. I'll fade back into history. And when I'm there, receiving my final prayer, just leave out the lines about who I tried to be. And when I'm free, I hope that's what you will be. Don't let anyone tie you down or cut your wings. And let me disappear, leave all this chaos here. And you can keep my picture, dear. To put your mind at ease, that's where I'll find my peace. I'll fade back into history. That's where I will be. And when I die, don't think about reasons why. Don't say I'm too young to go around. Miss you so.